clean the wheels, and now I'm going to use Chemical Guys wheel guard. So you just apply a thin coat to the wheel and leave it to dry for 15 minutes, and then see how you get on. Let's put some of this on. Microfiber pad applicator, sorry.
Get access to your customized playlist and find out what
rub it in.
Uninterrupted. What a beautiful word. Just think about all the things that are better when they're uninterrupted. Uninterrupted sleep.
Under the rocks, luckily. That's that. So we'll leave that to cure, and then we'll wipe it off with a microfiber towel and buff it up. I'll do the front one and then I'll come back. The cloth. Look through there, centre of the holes. Yeah, I'll take a final photo, but yeah, hopefully you can see how clean it is compared to the other side. It's come up really nice and bright and shiny. Yeah, any questions or anything that you want me to do a video on with regards to detailing, let me know. But thanks for tuning in. Take care.